Question number 4 asks us to graph our solution on a number line and then show both of our checks for 5 is greater than 15 plus z. First thing we'll do is go ahead and solve it. To undo our addition here, we have a positive 15 plus z. So I'll go ahead and subtract 15 from both sides. I get 5 minus 15, that's negative 10. It's going to be greater than z. Again, you can also read this backwards and say that z is less than negative 10. Because we have a less than symbol and it's not equal to, our graph down here is kind of an open circle at negative 10. And then be careful here to make sure we are shading everything less than negative 10. So we have negative 12, negative 14, so we have negative 8 and negative 6. So we're going to be shading to the left. Because negative 12, we plug it in, it says negative 10 would be greater than negative 12, and that's true. So the last thing we have to do is do our checks. First check is if z equaled negative 10, is 5 equal to 15 plus z, or in this case, plus negative 10? Well, 15 plus negative 10 is the same as 15 minus 10, which would be 5. And indeed, 5 does equal 5. Our second thing is to check any of our shaded region, or any of the numbers where z would be less than negative 10. I'm going to go ahead and choose z as negative 15. So if z were negative 15, would our original equation up here be true? So we'd have 5 is greater than 15 plus a negative 15. Well, 15 plus negative 15 is 0. So we're looking at 5 is greater than 0. Indeed, 5 is greater than 0. So that checks out as well. So our final answer would be z is less than negative 10.